Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise to support the petition by my good friend, Senator Mary Seneta, and really congratulate her for the good work that she's been doing in terms of defending the rights of the people of Kajiado. Mr. Speaker, sir, just recently, Senator Seneta brought in an issue also that had to do with the farmers of Kajiado. Today, we're dealing with something, Mr. Speaker, sir, which has been in the news for quite some time, and particularly on the issue of the mistreatment of the workers of the Nolturesh. Mr. Speaker, sir, this House knows very clearly, or rather, the Kenyans should know that this issue of Nolturesh is something which cuts across 3 counties, Kajiado, Makueni, and I think Machakos County. And I remember very well, I think it was October 15th, when the 3 governors met to discuss on the issues that is affecting the people. I remember also, quite a while ago, I think around June, sometimes in June, the ex, or the former managing director of that company, had been accused of misappropriating about 60 million shillings. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is time that we now move expeditiously to ensure that the people who worked there are paid their benefits. Mr. Speaker, sir, all these things that we are doing, ignoring the rule of law. The Constitution is very clear that it doesn't matter whether you are in office today, if you leave office, you will still be held accountable. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to really request that the committee which will be dealing with this issue of this petition to ensure that as part of the recommendations is to have the office of the DPP follow through the former MD to ensure that if there are any funds which are misappropriated, that led to the people not to be paid their salaries, or that led to the Kenya Revenue Authority not receiving the dues, that those people should be held accountable. Mr. Speaker, sir, I know that the governor of Kajiado appointed the former MD of Kenya what is it? This airline, KQ, to be the head of this Nolturesh. So I support that, Mr. Naikuni is a very, very good guy. He's a person who has worked well. I mean, a lot of people would say maybe there are issues, but I think he can be able to tackle this matter. So as one of the people who the committee should be able to invite here is Mr. Titus Naikuni, to be able to understand what steps has he taken to ensure that the people of Nolturesh, who have been working there for many years, have been paid their dues. It is so sad, Mr. Speaker, sir, when you work and then when you're about to retire, there is even no money to pay you. I know, I think June 12, there were demonstrations where the water, which is a very, very scarce resource, when the staff of Nolturesh decided to paralyze the operations. What people should realize is that we are dealing with 3 counties. In fact, I dare say even that water comes all the way to Nairobi. Because all these flower farms, which are bringing in a lot of foreign income into this country, relies on that water from Nolturesh. I know this is a fact, Mr. Speaker, sir, because I have a home somewhere close to Nolturesh. And it is sad that the people who work there are not paid. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, this is a petition that requires the committee to expedite and ensure that those who are misappropriated those funds, those who are mistreating the employees are actually held to account. It is wrong. When you look at the dailies, I mean, there was a time in June, July, that the media was awash with information about how people are demonstrating in Nolturesh, how there are all these water crises. These 3 governors should sit down. And in fact, if Kajiado County is claiming full ownership, then they should account for, they should make the first move and ensure that they bail this out. I remember vividly Governor Lenku saying that the reason why he was bringing the changes to Nolturesh is because he was tired of bailing out the company. So if Kajiado County is tired of bailing out the company, why not follow through with the DPP to ensure that those people who have misappropriated those funds are held to account? Why should workers suffer? So, Mr. Speaker, sir, this petition is really timely, and I really hope that even that committee will be able to go and hold those proceedings, call the people on the ground so that people can be able to give proper facts. Sometimes when we invite people to come to the Senate here, we may leave out people who might be able to have relevant information that can be able to help have those solutions. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, the only way that we can be able to ensure that we bring sanity to this issue of water before people start fighting. Because if you interfere with the people who are working, they can decide to do so many things for you. And that water is something which is dangerous and good. So, Mr. Speaker, sir, I support this petition, and I hope that the county government of Kajiado will take the initial steps of ensuring that they pay those workers and ensure that Titus Nekuni does now a job now that he's the head of that Nolturesh Water Resource Company. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Senator Langat Christopher.